Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good day to all my friends. My name is Ilyas Hanafi bin Razali and my metric number is 182260. Today, in my video, I will explain about spectrophotometer. Every chemical compound absorbs, transmits or reflects light, or generally called as electromagnetic radiation, over a certain range of wavelength. Spectrophotometry is a measurement of how much a chemical substance absorbs or transmits. Spectrophotometry is widely used for quantitative analysis in various areas. For example, chemistry, physics, biology, biochemistry, chemical engineering, clinical application, industrial application, and much more. Any application that deals with chemical substances or materials can use the technique in biochemistry. For example, it is used to determine enzyme catalyst reaction. In clinical application, it is used to examine blood or tissues for clinical diagnosis. There are also several variations of the spectrophotometry, such as atomic absorption spectrophotometry and atomic emission spectrophotometry. A spectrophotometer is an instrument that measures the amount of photons, that is the intensity of light, absorbed after it passes through sample solution. With the spectrophotometer, the amount of a known chemical substance can also be determined by measuring the intensity of light detected. Depending on the range of wavelength of light source, it can be classified into two different types. First type is UV visible spectrophotometer, which uses light over the ultraviolet range 185 to 400 nanometer and visible range 400 nanometer to 700 nanometer of electromagnetic radiation spectrum. And the second type is IR spectrophotometer, uses light over the infrared range, that is 700 nanometer to 15,000 nanometer of electromagnetic radiation spectrum. In visible spectrophotometry, the absorption or the transmission of a certain substance can be determined by observing the color. For instance, a solution sample that absorbs light over all visible ranges, example, transmits none of visible wavelength, appears black in theory. On the other hand, if all visible wavelengths are transmitted, for example, absorbs nothing, the solution sample appears white. If a solution sample absorbs red light that is more than average 700 nanometer, it appears green, because green is the complementary color of red. Visible spectrophotometers in practice use a prism to narrow down a certain range of wavelength to filter out the wavelengths so that the particular beam of light is passed through the solution sample. So what is spectrophotometry? Spectrophotometry is a method to measure how much a chemical substance absorbs light by measuring the intensity of light as a beam of light passes through the sample solution. The basic principle is that each compound absorbs or transmits light over a certain range of wavelength. This measurement can also be used to measure the amount of a known chemical substance. Spectrophotometry is one of the most useful methods of quantitative analysis in various fields such as chemistry, physics, biochemistry, material and chemical engineering, and also clinical application. I think that's all from me. Thank you.